In this video, I'm going to show you how to do voice glitch in BandLab. So I just have some sample audio in here I'm going to play for you first, and then I'm going to show you how you can approach this. So this is basically just the sample.
Let's get it done. Yeah, I'm still #1.
Okay, so let's say we're gonna play with this audio right now. Now, mind you, there's a lot of different ways you could approach this. I'm just going to show you one which I found out, and I do think is quite easy to make and also quite quick. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to basically glitch this one, this word here, which says get it. So this one.
Done.
Oh, I meant this one.
Get it done.
There we go. So we're gonna do let's get it done or something like that. And then the first thing you have to do is here, of course, add a track. So add a track, voice audio, and then in here it's gonna add a separate track. Now what you then have to do is zoom in and find the bit you would like to kind of glitch. So I want to glitch this bit which says get it.
Get it done.
So you want to basically position yourself at the beginning, and you could right click and then click on split, or you could also just basically click S on your keyboard and it's going to split that part just like that. So when that happens, I'm going to copy it by Ctrl C, and then I'm also going to paste it down here at the bottom with Ctrl V. So what this is going to do here, if I move this around a bit, so let me just show you what I mean by that. If I move this away, so let's say just like this or something, it's going to basically say get it 2 times, and it's going to create kind of a glitch. So let's see how this sounds first.
Let's get it done.
There we go. As you can see, it's already kind of a glitch. Now, of course, you could go ahead and play with the effects on that as well. You could go ahead and do it like for the 3rd time. You could add a separate track here, add a different one, and then you could just go ahead and add it in here as well. So it's going to say get it pretty much 3 times, and I could put it a bit more in like this, and then I put this one too over here, for example, and if I play this now,
Let's get it done.
there we go. It's still kind of a glitch effect. So that's pretty much how you can do this, and then you can just basically mix it into your song. So of course, as I said, there's different ways too, but I do think this is kind of a beginner friendly, quick way to do it. So that's that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.